వెల్కమ్ టు మిగానే. భారతదేశంలో ఎక్కడ ప్రకృతి వైపరీత్యాలు సంభవించినా కాసా ముందుండి ప్రజలను సేవలందిస్తుందని కాసా డైరెక్టర్ అగర్వాల్ తెలిపారు. ఓయూ గెస్ట్ హౌస్లో జరిగిన కాసా మీటింగ్లో ఆయన మాట్లాడుతూ ఉత్తరాఖండ్లో వరదలు సంభవించినప్పుడు వరద బాధితులను రక్షించడంతో పాటు ఇటీవల ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్లో పైలాన్ తుఫాను సంభవించినప్పుడు బాధితులను ఆదుకోవడంలో తమ సంస్థ విశేషంగా కృషి చేసిందని పేర్కొన్నారు.
One group is trained to manage the community kitchen. Like that we have, but what our aim is that you must prepare them to serve their own community, which cannot be ignored because of the rise in the temperature, and you all know that another rise in the temperature by 1.2 degree, 1.5 degree to 2 degrees, and about 40% of the 7 billion population of the world are going to become the climate refugees. They will lose their land. They will lose their environment in which they live today. So this is a very serious threat. And also in India, today we say natural calamity, but according to me they are not natural calamity. If you see their character, whether we have droughts in India, whether we have floods in India, whether we have cyclones in India, it's all because of the climate change. So what we have done now, we have linked our community-based disaster preparedness. Because people like us, the organization like us may take 24 hours to reach out to the area where people are affected. So the best way is to prepare the community to mitigate the disaster. I think now that is where we are aiming at, and our disaster preparedness is very strong in the organization. We have 17 warehouses. What we have done the hazard mapping in the country, which area is prone to which kind of disaster, and accordingly if some area is prone to cyclone, then we do the community based disaster on that basis. Some areas are prone to floods, then we do the disaster preparedness accordingly. And what we have done, we have huge warehouses, godowns in very strategic. Next 10 days we are there with the relief, whichever part it happens, but we can assist 50,000 families immediately, and our experience has been like that. Secondly, now we are also networking with many other organizations. Like today you see most of the big organizations and small organizations, they are also into disaster management and into the humanitarian aid. So it is very important that we need to network with them. And when we are doing network, the whole idea is can we increase the outreach? If CASA has the capacity to say reach out to 50,000 to 60,000 families at one time, but if you have 10 organizations, then you can think of reaching out to 5 lakhs family. That is what the advantage of networking is.